Welcome to OneSearch. Here's tip number 3. If you're looking for a particular phrase, you can find it in the materials you're searching for by putting quotation marks around the phrase. So let's type in cats like dogs. Put quotation marks at the front, quotation marks at the end, and start your search. And as you can see, the results have cats like dogs. Some of them have cats like dogs where the words are in that order, but they may have some words in between. But for the most part, the results are cats like dog exactly as written. As you can see, cats like dogs. Okay, I hope that helps. Don't forget to sign in to get full access. Thanks. Bye.